Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. My name is Sarah, and I am so happy you are here today.
And I'm John. Thank you for listening. We know you are busy, so we promise to make your English practice simple, useful, and maybe a little bit funny today.
Yes, today's topic is 10 phrases used every day. These are simple phrases you can use in daily life, at home, at work, at school, in a shop, or even when you are just walking your dog.
Or when your dog is walking you.
That too. So let's start with phrase number 1. How's it going?
How's it going is a very common phrase in English. It means, how are you? But it is more casual. You can use it with friends, classmates, coworkers, or even your neighbor. For example, you see your friend in the morning. You smile and say, "Hey, how's it going?" It sounds relaxed and natural. The answer can be simple. It's going well, or not bad, or even pretty good. You don't need a long answer. Just keep it easy.
I like this one because it feels warm and friendly. It's not too formal. It makes people feel comfortable.
Exactly. And now phrase number 2. I'm on my way.
Ooh, this one is very useful. Tell us more.
I'm on my way means you're going somewhere right now. Maybe your friend is waiting for you. They text, "Where are you?" You reply, "I'm on my way." It means you're coming, even if you're still putting on your shoes.
Be honest, John. Sometimes I'm on my way means I'm still at home.
Maybe sometimes, but in real English conversations, people use it all the time. It sounds natural and confident.
Great. Let's move to phrase number 3. That sounds good.
That sounds good is perfect when someone gives you an idea or a plan. For example, your friend says, "Let's get coffee at 5 p.m." You answer, "That sounds good." It means you agree. It is positive and friendly. You can also say, "Sounds good." It's shorter, but very common.
I like this because it feels warm and friendly. It's not too formal. It makes people feel comfortable.
Exactly. And now phrase number 2. I'm on my way.
Ooh, this one is very useful. Tell us more.
I'm on my way means you're going somewhere right now. Maybe your friend is waiting for you. They text, "Where are you?" You reply, "I'm on my way." It means you're coming, even if you're still putting on your shoes.
Be honest, John. Sometimes I'm on my way means I'm still at home.
Maybe sometimes, but in real English conversations, people use it all the time. It sounds natural and confident.
Great. Let's move to phrase number 3. That sounds good.
That sounds good is perfect when someone gives you an idea or a plan. For example, your friend says, "Let's get coffee at 5 p.m." You answer, "That sounds good." It means you agree. It is positive and friendly. You can also say, "Sounds good." It's shorter, but very common.
I use this almost every day. It's simple but powerful. It shows you are open and kind.
And it can save you from long explanations.
True. Now phrase number 4. I'm not sure.
This is important. I'm not sure means you don't know or you are not certain. For example, someone asks, "Is the meeting at 2 or 3?" You can say, "I'm not sure." It is polite. It is softer than saying, "I don't know." It sounds more natural in conversation.
I like that it sounds humble. It's okay not to know everything.
Yes, English is not about being perfect. It's about communication.
Exactly. Okay, phrase number 5. Can you help me?
This is one of the most useful phrases in the world. Can you help me? You can use it in a store. Can you help me find this? In school. Can you help me with this homework? Or at work. Can you help me with this project? It is direct but polite. If you want to sound even softer, you can say, "Could you help me?"
Asking for help is not weakness. It is smart.
Yes, especially when you are trying to open a jar and it just won't open.
Very real example, John. Now let's go to phrase number 6. What do you think?
What do you think is great for conversation? It invites another person to share their opinion. For example, "I'm thinking about buying this phone. What do you think?" Or, "This movie is interesting. What do you think?" It makes the conversation two-sided, not just you talking, but both people sharing ideas.
I love this phrase because it shows respect. You care about the other person's opinion.
And people love to share their opinions.
Yes, sometimes a little too much.
That's true.
Okay, phrase number 7. It depends.
It depends means the answer is not simple. For example, someone asks, "Do you like spicy food?" You say, "It depends." Maybe you like a little spice, but not too much. Or someone asks, "Are you free tomorrow?" You say, "It depends." Maybe you need to check your schedule. It is short, but very meaningful.
It's like saying, I need more information.
Exactly.
Exactly. Let's continue with phrase number 8. No worries.
No worries is very common in everyday English. It means it's okay or don't worry about it. For example, your friend says, "Sorry I'm late." You answer, "No worries." Or someone says, "Thank you for your help." You can reply, "No worries." It sounds friendly and relaxed.
I like how positive it feels. It removes stress from the situation.
Yes, it's like giving someone a small gift of peace.
Beautifully said, John. Now, number 9. I'll get back to you.
This phrase is very useful in work and business. "I'll get back to you" means I will give you an answer later. For example, someone asks, "Can you finish this by Friday?" You are not sure, so you say, "I'll get back to you." It shows responsibility. It means you will check and reply later.
It sounds professional and polite, much better than saying nothing.
Yes, communication is key.
And now our final one, phrase number 10. That makes sense.
That makes sense means you understand and agree with the explanation. For example, your teacher explains grammar. After listening, you say, "That makes sense." Or your friend explains why they were late. You say, "Oh, that makes sense." It shows understanding. It connects you with the speaker.
I love this phrase because it shows you are really listening.
Yes, listening is just as important as speaking.
Wow, we shared 10 everyday phrases today. Let's quickly remember them. How's it going? I'm on my way. That sounds good. I'm not sure. Can you help me? What do you think? It depends. No worries. I'll get back to you. And that makes sense.
These phrases are simple, but they are powerful. Try to use one or two of them today, maybe with a friend, maybe at work, maybe even in front of the mirror.
Yes, talk to the mirror. The mirror is a very patient listener.
It never says your English is bad.
Remember, you don't need big, difficult words to sound natural. Simple English is strong English.
Practice listening. Repeat after us. Use these phrases again and again. Slowly, your confidence will grow.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We are proud of you for learning and improving your English.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And don't forget to listen again tomorrow for more simple, everyday English.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.